I'm Shruthi.
And I'm Peter.
And this is Blitz. Our travels have taken us to Mexico, Canada, and all over the United States. It's something that we've found that we need to thrive and really feel like we're living life to the fullest. The good news is that there are so many ways to get out there and get on the road.
Don't overthink it. Just get the stuff that you think you'll need and get out there and try it.
So we're in Southern California. A good thing to do is look at public lands or places where dispersed camping is allowed, and then just go explore. And what we found helps is to download offline maps if you're going out of service to somewhere you're not familiar with, and maybe save some pins on those maps of places that look promising. This time, I think we're gonna get lucky.
Whoa, turkey.
One of the biggest challenges when we get to camp is getting level, because we don't want to be tilted back when we're trying to go to sleep. Fancy leveling blocks.
So welcome to the van. Tonight we're making sweet potato tacos. It's something that's super simple to throw together, and it gives you plenty of time to relax, have a drink, and enjoy the sunset, which is the real star of the show. So we got our sweet potatoes, red onions, limes, avocados of course, because gotta make some guacamole, red cabbage for a super simple slaw that we're gonna make.
Shruthi generally is the chef. I am the sous chef because she is much better.
Your
at it than
favorite's
I am.
eating. Sweet potatoes are perfect for this recipe because you can just peel them, cube them up, throw them in a cast iron skillet, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, maybe some cumin. That's all you need to cook for this meal.
So, we are making some margaritas. Margs have become kind of a staple until we run out of tequila, and then that's probably it. We usually do half a lime, a double shot of tequila, and then a single shot of Controy. Today we're gonna make some spicy ones. We have a poblano liqueur, so we're gonna add a little bit of that too, and then ice.
With the official margarita stirring utensil.
A knife. Limited water means usually try to reuse for anything you can. Cheers.
Cheers. So one thing that's super important is to make sure that the stuff that we do carry around with us is gonna last, do the job, and is also multi-purpose. Leftovers are your best friend. For me, it's just the feeling of being outside and fresh air and just space to breathe.
Peace and quiet, out in nature.
Tacos, tacos, tacos. I love tacos.
Tacos.
I'm Shruthi.
And I'm Peter.
And this is how we go.